Hello, this is Nell, and welcome to the cozy game called Alba, a wildlife adventure. This will be part 2. Part 1 was very short. This one will be a bit longer. I'm excited. I'm ready for some coziness. Let's go. Oh, we need... Okay. Is she tying her shoes? Okay, let's go to the mayor, because that's where we ended. We had quite... Alba, over here. We're curious what the mayor's going to say. Maybe he'll announce the restoration of the nature reserve. You know, after that fire last winter nearly destroyed it. Oh, phew, we got there just in time. And restoration would be fantastic. The nature reserve's been abandoned for too long. True that. Every year Alba and I have been wanting to play here. Remember, Monica? We used to come here when you were a toddler. Your granddad told me you even saw a lynx. A lynx, so jealous. Oh. Yes, the king of the forest. We saw it right here in the nature reserve. Like so jealous. I want to see a lynx too. I believe the lynx will be the one to look for. Hey, I think the mayor's about to start. Let's go see. People of Sakara, I have exciting news about the nature reserve. We are going to transform it into... Oh, good lord. Is this gonna be... dear lord. The world's largest luxury hotel. I'm sure you all know the nature reserve is sadly beyond saving, but this new hotel will breathe new life into a wonderful island. I believe we're going to find something that's rare, which then has, preserve the area. Tourism will be back together with new job and opportunities. Please give a warm welcome to Paco, the man behind the hotel. Oh my. Thank you, Tony. My vision for the hotel is all about luxury, comfort and opportunity. Not even the sky is the limit, because there are no limits. My company will build the hotel in record time. In fact, we've already started construction. Thank you, Paco, for your inspiring words. This concludes the announcement. Thank you all for coming. We'll take no questions. A what now? Luxury hotel? Interesting. Nature is beyond saving. We'll see about that. Ines is, well, she's a little fireball. I like it. Alba, let's investigate at once. Okay, so let us... Okay, but let's talk first. I wonder if they need personal trainers for the hotel's gym. This could be a great chance for me to expand this and not the words I want. But what if they bring their own staff from the mainland? This could put me out of business. Well, that was unexpected. True, but there are other ways. Some that don't involve pouring concrete into the nature reserve. I agree. What's Granddad? What are you going to say? Shame about the nature reserve. But over the years, we've gone from bustling tourist hotspot to a ghost town with more businesses closing every week. So maybe the luxury hotel is a good thing. Difficult. Well, you need something else to draw the tourists in then. Tearing down the nature reserve? Building a luxury hotel? What sort of nightmare have I woken up to? I demand a refund. A refund to what, Grandma? My family moved here because it was so quiet. Now with this big hotel, the island could change. Maybe that's good. You can have too much quiet. Never too much quiet. This is the most exciting thing. Goodness. Well, maybe we can build around it or something. Build around it. Seriously. Oh my lord. Okay, so let us check what I have to do. Explore the nature reserve. Scan 12 different animals using your phone. Okay, let us go and explore. We can assume... Oh, so beautiful. That's sad. How do we look like with 3? Okay. I've got that. It's so dirty. Can I pick it up? Please, can I pick up? Beyond saving, just need a bit of tidying and fixing. Now the mayor's gonna build a hotel? No way. The AIWL will act. Alba, we're going to save the nature reserve. Let's start off cleaning up this mess. Thank you. Thank you, Ines. Clean, clean, clean. Finally. Oh, I think. You see? Yes, the ducks appreciate our valiant efforts. Worry not, feathered friends. The AIWL. A-roll? Got this. Let's keep going, Alba. I'm gonna remind people how nice this place is. Okay, we've cleaned one area. But, can I... need 2 more animals. What's that? Nothing. For the feeder. Wait, what is... Okay. This is a very relaxing game. I don't think I have a picture of those. What are those? Obviously I know it's ducks, people, but which ones? Look, huge birds with green heads. Never seen them before. I will find out what they are with your app. Huh, that's cute. Okay, let me go there. Spatula, Clypedia. Have I? Let me check if I've got everything. Rare shoveler spotted in nature reserve. Travelers, finally, been looking all over for them. Greetings, fellow nature enthusiasts. What's your name? Greetings to you, young friends. I'm Clara, president. Our goal is to document all the creatures on this island. That's awesome. We've got our own wildlife leaf. The current mission: rescue the nature reserve, stop the hotel. Join us. I like this idea. My colleague Alba, sitting here, has all the paperwork ready. Right, Alba? Well, as I guess. Very professional. Of course, I'll sign up. And great idea collecting signatures to stop the hotel. Yes, oh, that's exactly what our plan was. Is we're going to need lots of signatures, like 5 million. 5 million? I say 50. I'm assuming we have to do like favors to get that signatures. I'm convinced you'll find plenty of opportunities to get those. In fact, June, a colleague of mine, is looking for sparrowhawks. Apparently they are nesting in the woods near town. Find a scan it and... see? There's more to this game than just... Can I... What do you mean? Move the animal cars to the sign. Oh. Which one? This is all I've documented. Northern shoulder. That means I didn't document that. Common teal. Common. Okay, but then that means I didn't document those. Let's see. No, not the map. Let me see. Well, come back up, duck, so I can take... Yeah, okay. Ooh. So I've got this one. Oh, this... Oh. I thought I scanned. Rare, common teal. I believe I have a few now. Let's see. Common teal, which is this one. This one goes over here. And then a common... There we go. Bird watchers go looking for ducks. Oh, hello, you must be Alba. I'm Erica. Look at all those different ducks. I had no idea. It surely is a good sign. Replace damaged photos on signs in nature reserve. 4 out of 10. So there's another one. Petition. Can I let you get... Can you sign the petition? No. Oh. Let me check. 1, 2, 13. That's a lot of things I need to do. Wait, can I fix this? This is broken. We are... Ah. What in the world is this? Mysterious goo. Can I just pick this up? Oh, thank you. Such a good feeling when a game allows you to pick up trash. Can I get a picture of that? Red squirrel. Can I get a picture of the cat? Feelers catches. Wait, what is that? Is that it? No, that's a squirrel. I am... Wait, do I have a picture of that bird? I'm not sure. Let me check. Okay, I do. Let's follow. Oh, the poor thing. Oh no, the squirrel's been drinking the weird gooey stuff. Gotta help, go find the vet in town, Alba. I'll keep an eye on our friend. There's a lot more to this game than I thought there were. Oh wait, I can fix that. I'll come back. Can I? No, I can sneak. Where am I? I'm standing. Great squirrel. I can do that. Great tit. I can do that. Oh, I don't have that crested tit. Do I have one? House sparrow. So I need. Okay. Now I need to take pictures of that. But where is... Okay, this is a marked view. So let's go and get the vet. Oh. Oh, no. Don't fly. Oh, I've got it already. I'm just scared to talk to people. This is so cute. Where's the vet? Here we go. Hola, I'm Simon, the vet, and you're Alba from the newspaper. A sick squirrel. Of course I'll help. Let's go. Wait. I'm sorry, my dude. I've got a very important thing to do. A feral pigeon. And then this one. Do I have it? I think I've got it already. Where did the vet go? Let's just double check. Yes, house sparrow. Thank you. I literally went. I could have just run anyway. Could have just went it around the corner. Oh, they're so patient. Let me have a look. This is not good. Our squirrel friend was poisoned. Let me help you, little one. I'm going to take some samples so I can run some tests. Well, take it with you. In the meantime, I need your assistance. I'm pretty sure I saw other sick animals. Take this first aid kit and help them. I'll clean up the goo. Look how many though. I like the tail. Who are you? Two to go. One left. There's the other one, but I'm looking for the two birds I'm missing. AILL start petition to stop hotel and rescue sick animals from mystery goo. Thank you so much for your help, Alba and Inez. I've signed your petition. Let's protect the wildlife and nature reserve. And please keep the first aid kit in case you get more sick animals. Tomorrow I should hopefully be able to tell you more about the goo. Ooh. Okay. So we've got a time limit. Complete. Let's see. Oh. No. 5. Scan. Okay. So, let us I want to go this way. I need photos. Where is the forest? I believe then it's this one. Let's go around here. I need 2 more photos, and I think one of them needs to be the sparrowhawk. Huh. Dinner's almost ready. Come home when you're done adventuring. Oh my goodness, I don't have time. Ooh. Oh. I think that's a sparrowhawk, isn't it? No. Yes. Okay. Sparrowhawks nesting near town. 6. Oh, I like it that you don't have to go to. Oh, look at that. Oh, you found the sparrowhawks. My colleague is very grateful and signed petition. Well done. Oh, this is so cute. I need one more photo though. Which one do I need? A crested tit. Do I have one? House sparrow. I think they are around. I'm just gonna see if I can find it around here. This doesn't look safe. No, it's blue. There's the hair. Oh, wait, I think it's that one. It's that one. I think, no, I can't barely see. No, it's blue. Oh, it was it. Where did it go? Where did it go? There we go. No, great tit. I want the crested one. There we go. And then I'll go home. Let's go fix this sign. We've accomplished quite a lot, and if I knew, I would have ended the episode, the first part, around the end of the day, but it is what it is. Cold tit. Nah. It wasn't the right one though, but it wasn't the right one. Wait, there it is. What's that? Quickly. No. Aye. Why doesn't it want to scan? Why? What's happening? Thank you. Okay, that's the one we've been looking for. Then I'm coming, Grandma, Grandpa, whatever. Yeah. There we go. Complete. I believe my home is around here. Hi, kitty. Isn't this my home? No? Where's home? Oh, it's wholesome. This home? No. I'm going the wrong way. I am going the wrong way. No, I am not going the wrong way. There they are. But what is that then? Oh, the map is just smaller than I thought. I'm working on it, but all the... Listen, Gonna bring back the tourism the old-fashioned way, using animals in the natural environment. Restoring what we've been destroying. Love the initiative. So proud of you. Obviously support you. Yeah, pass me the pen and we'll both sign it, won't we? Sure. I mean, yes, of course. Anything for Alba. Yeah. Listen, I thought Grandpa would be against it more because, you know, I thought he would like taking photos of birds. Fantastic. Let's go eat. And that's the end of the day. You saved the squirrels. A glimpse of the past. Happy Wednesday, Alba. Weather report says it's going to be another beautiful day. Let's hope it stays like the way. There's a festival on Saturday. Yeah, I think the mayor. Just watch this. Shortcut. Do I have a picture of you? Yes, house sparrow. Okay. Okay, let's go to the nature reserve. Let's move around the terrace area. Because I believe I need only for the... Wait, I missed. Wait, I say morning, Alba. I know what's making the animals sick. Come see me in town when you're free. Yeah. Okay, but I want to find out. So I need 2 for the terraces. I'm a red fox and Sardinian wobbler. I believe the red fox is a bit elusive. What's that? Wait. Okay. Yes! One more. It's just red fox for the terraces. No. Thank you. Now I need a red fox. Wait, is a bird hurt? Thank you, Dustbin, for thanking me. Wait. Aww. Happy. Okay, wait, I keep getting more stuff to do. Near bins. Are there more? Ooh, what's this? Let me just check. What is that? Oh, a falcon. Oh, look at the nest there in the background. Can you see up there? Oh, that's so sweet. Anyway, I want a red fox in this area, then I'll move on. I think focusing on one area for the photos might be the best. I don't know when the red fox comes out. I think this is the red fox's humble abode. I think it's a bit elusive. Can you sign my thing? Can you sign? No? Why not? Why the loving ever not? How am I going to get 50 if the local people don't want to sign? Ah, this is horrible. Lady, can I talk to you? Oh, hello. Oh, they don't care. They do not care. Can I smack you? So you're the one tidying up the nature reserve. You do realize we're all good. Yeah. Oh, you are. Oh, this is horrible. Oh, we need to sort out the bridge. How? I'm gonna talk to the people, but no one wants to sign my petition. Mm-hmm. No. Oh. Well, Alba. Okay, eating and floating ice cream. Nine. Only 50 to go. 41 to go. I can go back there, but I don't want to. I think Grandpa would appreciate it. Listen. Quite a quaint little town. Huh. Let's clean up here. Hopefully I get a petition. Can you sign? Because I cleaned. Socks, socks. Where are you? Hola, have it. Ah. We can find socks. And okay, so we can get another petition that way. Which way? Which way? Lady, you did not look very far for your socks. There it is. Okay, but let's... While we're here, we need to talk to the vet. I have a result from the gooey liquid. Believe it or not, it is pesticide that was make the squirrels sick. There's an orange farm nearby. I think it might be the source. If you have time to go and check it out, I would be very grateful. Listen, I love the vet's earring. I'm waiting for my next patient, otherwise I would go myself. I was just at the orange farm. Wait, let's save the squirrel. Poor thing. Maybe the dog got in. The animals look worse than they were yesterday. Okay, I see the green. So let's just return the dog. Can I... Yeah, there it is. Socks here. Cute little dog. Everyone, if there's ever anything we can do for you, just say the word. Sign the petition, lady. I need 40 after you. Our mayor, he thinks the only way to attract tourists is this ugly hotel. Alas, also, where are my manners? I've got to introduce myself. All my worries about socks. I'm Arena. And socks you've already met. We know who you are, of course. Everybody's talking about you. Okay, and then I've got how many signatures? No. 10. I need 40 more. Okay, we need to walk around though. Yeah, more animals got sick. Can we clean it up? It'll be so satisfying if we clean up all the goo. How do we get in? Ah. Okay, let us... It is your... You made Luna better, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Oh. With the lynx. Red fox. It's gonna be the lynx. What's that in the bushes? 11. I heard a hoopoe in the trees near the North Beach. Very rare, can you find it? It's so peaceful. Let me clean up around you here. Hopefully you'll sign the petition. Can you sign? I cleaned up for you. Okay, you've said that already. Ooh, 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 ooh. I said the ooh, ooh. Wait. I was fast. Punk rock bird visits Sakara. 14. Well done. Oh, finding the hoopoe. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, I am just busy cleaning up all the bloody mess of... Okay, so let's just check. Talk to the carpenter in town. I need to finish this. And let's go talk to the carpenter so I can work on the nature reserve. It is a beautiful bird. We have hoopoes in our garden often. Just near the vet. That's the beach. Vet. Yeah. Hi Alba, I'm Maria, nice to meet you. In East South, when you want to fix the broken bridge of the nature reserve, I'd love to help, especially after the work you've been doing. Unfortunately, I'm waiting for an important delivery. It's for the town's festival, very exciting. But I do have some spare toolkit you and your niece can use to fix the bridge. Ace, the AIRRL. Thank you. Off to the bridge, Alba. We are going to nail it. Listen, I love Ines. I'm intrigued what you'll find on the other side. Heron. Oh, okay. So, Let's go. What is that? I don't know. Is that hotel they're already building? Oh no, you can. Oh no, I can fix it now. Oh, I love that. You can fix the bird houses now. Oh my goodness gracious. Ah. Can I? This? No, that's not broken. Let's fix the bridge. Yes, 5-star for teamwork. Finally, we can cross over to the other side. Listen. Alba, you a natural. Oh, wait, is that? That is it. Wait. Perfect. And that's a beautiful photo too. Heron spotted in nature reserve. Ah, yeah. Oh, there she is. Let us fix. Yeah, I want to fix first. Oh, it is beautiful. What's that? Now it's gonna be a speedy photo. In-flight action. Rare. Well, what do you know? What's that? What's that? Uncommon. Anything else I can take photos of? Beautiful. Let's fix. Heron. Common. I don't think I have that already. No, so okay, let's go find that one so we can fix this sign. So much better. We should replace all the faded. Okay, anyway, I've been doing that already. That's 2 more days. No, it can't be the next day already. Let me see if I can find... There we go. And let's fix the sign. That's a huge sun in the background. Bird watchers return to nature reserve. Oh wow. Can you sign? Can you sign? Can you sign? Why don't you sign? Ah. Eight 4. What else can we... We'll see you at home when you're done for the day. Don't be late. I don't even know where I am, lady. This day went by very fast. Ah, shortcut. Oh, isn't that absolutely stunning? Look at that. Does that count for anything? Where is... I think it's time... Yeah, I think it's time to go home. Where am I now anyway? I don't think I have a picture of that. Nice fields. It's so beautiful, the island. I think I've got a photo of that one. I do have... Okay, let's just go home and then we can take pictures of what's left. Right, I've got that one. Can I take a picture of the chicken? Do they count? Well, I assume they do. Okay, I'm gonna go up here and then I'm going to make a wide turn. So I want to see if I can find... I want the red fox, because these are the terraces. Yes. The elusive... Can I go through here? Yes. I'm coming, Grandma. I'm sorry. I just really want a photo of that red fox. But I'm assuming that's the hare, so maybe that belongs to the hare? Listen, I cannot rest until I found that red fox. Let us go home, I presume. Lady, can I help you? Sign the petition. Sign the petition and I'll save you all the troubles and all the worries. What's up there though? Does this still count as... Beautiful. I do have a picture of it. Or is that a different one? European hair. Okay, let's fix the signs. Didn't I have that one? European green finch. There we go. Does this go to Grandma's house? Yes, no. Okay, let's go back. We can go through the back. Yes. That dove reminds me of my grandmother's house. It's funny how certain sounds unlock certain memories. I am quite happy of, I think, where's Grandma's house? We had a shortcut in the back, but I can't remember where it is. Let me just enter from the front. If I find it. I know it's that one up. Ooh, it's fixed. Great job, Alba. And I'm going to end it after this episode. I'm quite happy, and then I think the next part will be the last part. Are you saying Paco was connected to the nature reserve fire? Call it intuition, but Paco's definitely banned to my... Okay. I love how you say yes or no. Ace, I hope you've worked up an appetite. Listen, I've been working up an appetite while I was sitting here as well. Come on, Alba. I'll race you to the table. Thank you for watching the second episode. I am so happy. This was a fun one, and there was a lot of things we had to do. I hope you stay tuned for the next part. This is now, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.